Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Link, which has been pretty crazy. It again went higher. It looks like it's falling a bit right now. Like the situation is a bit weird. Like last video we made on it, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. But we're diving right into it. My videos have been too long lately, so I'm trying to make them a bit shorter. So you can watch them easily while also gaining a lot of knowledge. So the last time around, when we took a look at Link, like we established these yellow levels to kind of create a box, right? And these yellow levels were based on liquidation levels. So it seems like some liquidation levels were hunted right now, both on the long side and the short side, which is again confirmation of that Link is manipulated. Most of you already know that. Like Link, amazing project. I think it's one of the best projects to buy in the long term. But if you take a look at this, like $1.2 billion in volume, most of that coming from BK, Top Credit, Whitebit, Upbit, SuperX, which are all exchanges that usually, if there's manipulation, a lot of volume comes from there. It's just manipulated. All right. So like Link, that doesn't mean that it's bullish or bearish. I always say that, but it does mean that, you should take into account that things like these can happen. Because at this moment, it really looks like they grab liquidity from down here and then from down here. So I would say the situation is still the same. Like we can take a look, I mean, that's going to take some time, but we can take a look at liquidation levels again and see what the situation is for now. I would say, first of all, technically Link is still bullish, all right? We haven't seen any major bearish confirmation. Here you can see on the 12-hour, here you can see it really hunted those liquidations here at the top. The liquidations were actually a little bit higher, so it did not hunt them fully, but it did hunt those liquidations here. And now there's barely any liquidations left, so it might actually get some more bullish momentum. We'll see, all right? Because I do genuinely still think that this is kind of the area technically that Link is in. So there's resistance at $11. That's the main resistance right now. And then the main support level is around $10, which is obviously also a big psychological support level. So then the big question is, well, which one of those levels is going to break first? Because the open interest right now is still bullish. It has dropped down a bit in the last 2 hours or so, but it was very bullish, like until that point. And even like right now, the open interest levels and the volume levels are like the open interest is higher than yesterday and the volume is a little bit lower than yesterday. So the situation is quite unclear for Link. I would say like there's certain indicators telling us that it will go up. There's other indicators that it's most likely that it will drop down. Now, given the situation, which is that it's technically still bullish and that there's still quite a lot of momentum, I have to say that I think it's most likely that it will break above $11 and rally up higher towards this next resistance level, which is between 12.3 and 12.9, but we're going to call it 12.5. All right, so I would say that is the most likely scenario, that we'll see something like that. But if, for example, Bitcoin pulls back today, which is definitely a possibility, like if Bitcoin pulls back towards 32,000, Link will fall down as well. And the moment Link breaks down below $10, that's a major bearish breakout. The market structure is 100% different, and it will drop down to at least $9. And from there, we'll see again. All right, so it's difficult. It's difficult to analyze coins like these, especially when they move like this. Like these moves, I think, are a bit weird, to say the least. So that's the difficult part. Like I said, I think this is the most likely scenario. So if this happens, then consider me wrong. But I do want you to be prepared for both of these scenarios. All right. So make sure you understand that, and otherwise let me know down in the comments and I'll try to write it out a bit. But that is my full analysis on Link for now. So if you do have any questions, let me know. Apart from this, I also have my own premium trading group in which I share all of my trades as signals, and I'm a profitable trader, which is nice when given signals. But you also get access to an amazing community full of traders and my trading guide. So if you actually want to become a better trader while making some profits, consider joining. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.